What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. For those of you who don't know, my name is Chris Moore, and yeah, you can smell it. We're here, baby. We're at the racetrack once again. Chris Moore Drag Race School out here for our last session of the year. It's October. This is one of the best schools of the year because the weather is absolutely perfect. It's 75 degrees today, sunny, no humidity, and look at that, the racetrack. Oh yeah, you know she hooking super good. We having a lot of fun today. We got a lot of first timers out here, a lot of people brand new to motorcycle drag racing, never been down the track a day before in their life. If they have, it was in a car, but we've got several guys and a lady who has never been down the drag strip before a day in their life. We're out here having fun. We're learning the right way, and we're not tearing our stuff up, or at least cross our fingers. Hopefully we don't. Here we go, guys. It's gonna be a good day.
runs slower on my H2 than I do, he's got to tune my bike for free.
Run slower. Turn everything down.
Well, I had to stop, take me a little break, get a little drink. I don't know how many that was, maybe 5 or 6 back to back to back. It's hard work, it's hard work. Anyways, we did pretty good on all of them. I was happy with the passes I made on every one of them so far, except for the ZX6. I forgot it had a quick shifter and I was cracking the throttle to shift. Forgot all about that, but anyways, let's see if we can knock off 5 more good ones. Do it. Another year of Chris Moore Drag Race School in the books. What a successful year. Everybody had fun. Everybody came out, did good, went faster, faster, faster. Nobody tore their bike up. Nobody got hurt. You can't ask for much more than that. Now, the track rental, the school is over. We're about to stay and play a little bit longer, guys. The track is open from 6 to 10. We're gonna have some fun, and I'm gonna start another video that you'll be able to see me in next time. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Click the bell, subscribe, go to moremafia.com. We'll have the dates posted for the 2023 Chris Moore Drag Race School coming here soon. You'll be able to sign up on the website, moremafia.com. Smash that like button. All right, guys, see you next time.